Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to change the height of a banner image in Squarespace. This is a really useful skill if you want to customize the look of your website and make sure your banner fits perfectly with your design vision. Also, if you're interested in business tools that could improve your workflow, I've dropped a few links in the description down below. Let's get started. First, open your browser and navigate to squarespace.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you enter the correct email and password associated with your Squarespace account. After logging in, you'll land on your dashboard where all your websites are displayed. Here, you'll see a list of any sites you've created or are managing. Simply click on the website where you want to adjust the banner image height. This will open up that specific site's editing interface. Now look over to the left side of your screen. You'll see a menu with various options for managing your site. Click on Website to expand the options available. Once that opens, you'll notice an Edit button. Go ahead and click it. This will take you into the visual editor where you can make live changes to your site's appearance. Here's where the magic happens. Take a look at your banner image on the page. You should see an arrow icon appearing on the image banner itself. This arrow is your tool for adjusting the height. Simply click and drag this arrow up or down to change the height of your banner. As you drag, you'll see the banner resize in real time, which makes it easy to find the perfect height that matches your design aesthetic. If you want to make the banner shorter, you have another option as well. You can resize the content within the banner first, then drag the arrow to make it shorter. This gives you more precise control over how the content fits within the banner space. Play around with it until you achieve the look you're going for. Once you're satisfied with the new height of your banner image, it's time to save your changes. Look for the Save button, typically located at the top or bottom of the editor, and click it. This ensures that all your adjustments are applied and visible to anyone visiting your site. Give it a moment to process and save everything properly. And that's it. You've successfully changed the height of your banner image in Squarespace. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.